This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Discover your perfect retreat on this stunning 1.29-acre lot offering breathtaking year-round long-range mountain and Lake CHATUGE views. This gently rolling property provides an ideal setting for your dream home, with all paved roads and public utility water available for your convenience. Located just minutes from downtown Hiawassee, you'll enjoy easy access to charming restaurants, shopping, and boating. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity to embrace serene mountain living while being close to all the amenities you need. Your peaceful haven awaits. Call me today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.